Hey guys, it's Makeup Girl Alex here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the long-awaited updated eyebrow tutorial that I've been meaning to film. I filmed, it was jacked up, so guess what? I made it again, and this time I feel like it's way better. So if you like to see how I do my eyebrows, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so we're up close and personal today. I'm going to be doing a updated eyebrow tutorial today for y'all, and we're starting off. Y'all see my raggedy brows. We're just gonna brush them up, but I always start off with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, and that's because it just soaks up any oil that I may have in my eyebrows. I know this has been a long-awaited video. I actually filmed one, but it was terrible, so we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna try to stay in frame. I just like to brush my eyebrows up. I usually tweeze them. I don't go get my eyebrows done anymore because every time I went, somebody was messing me up. So I'll just do it myself now, and we're just gonna make sure all our hairs are going upward and all that jazz. So yeah, this is the Colourpop brow pencil in Bangin Brunette, and I start at the bottom and I lightly draw a line, just going along the natural shape of my eyebrow, like so. I hope y'all can see that. And I like to brush my eyebrows through, kind of blurring out that line that I just drew so it's not too harsh. And now I just make hair-like strokes wherever I have any sparse areas. This is to ensure that your eyebrows aren't too harsh, and I go extra light-handed in the front. My eyebrows are already pretty full, so I don't have to fill in much. If you have a bit more like thinner eyebrows, by all means go in however you want to, but this is how I do my eyebrows. And now I just brush down those hairs at the top, and I go along the natural shape of my eyebrows at the top. And again, go super light-handed in the front and brush the hairs back into place. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eyebrow, and I'm just gonna speed through just to give y'all the gist of how my eyebrow routine goes. This eyebrow, by the way, is way thinner than this one, so I go a bit more, I go in a little darker on this side. And yeah, so that's pretty much the filling in part of my eyebrow routine. Okay, so this is the small concealer brush. I use this to clean up my eyebrows. It's from Wet n Wild. And yeah, so I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows using this LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee, mixed with Light 18 from Colourpop. So I mixed it like that, and it's still pretty light, but it has like a tan, you know, type of situation. And I only use this color if I'm doing a look, because I'm going to be doing a look after this. But if I'm not doing a look, I'm using Fawn from LA Girl. This isn't Fawn, but you know, y'all know what the tube look like. I'm using the shade Fawn if I'm doing like a natural look. So yeah, so I just clean these up. And then after that, I just drag the rest down, because I use this as a primer. And after that, you just use that same concealer as an eyeshadow base, like so. Okay, so that concludes my eyebrow tutorial. I hope it was helpful for y'all. If y'all have any questions, just let me know down below in the comment section, and all the products that I use will be in the description bar, along with the link to this look that I did. It's super easy, super pretty, and yeah, so I'll see y'all next time. XOXO, Makeup Girl Alex.